the complaint you saw in the video, right, it turns on, it will turn back off, right, instantly, right? So the person said that, according to the person, he said he plugged it overnight to charge, but the following day it was not responding. So he said that when he turned it on, it turns off immediately. All right, so he brought it. Then I checked. So I'm checking, you know, yeah, and here is the motherboard. On checking, there's nothing. I did not see anything that is wrong with the motherboard, right? Nothing at all is wrong on the motherboard. So I remove, here is the Bluetooth IC. I remove this IC, remove for the charger, all the IC. I tested all the capacitor and the resistors, right? All the diodes, everything checked, that's fine. I even went as far as, the same S67 that is working. I remove all the chips that is on that one to this one. But it was behaving exactly the same, no difference. So with that, I came to the conclusion that this motherboard is okay. There's nothing that is wrong with it, right? So what do I do next? Then I focus on the battery. As I focus on the battery, so I tested this motherboard on another S67, and it was working. It does not turn off immediately. Okay, it does not turn off immediately. Wow. So that means the problem comes from the battery. So it could be that when the person charged, obviously, maybe when the person charged, indicated that it's charging, but the battery did not actually charge. So what could cause this? I can only make theories. What could be responsible for this kind of a problem? It could be, number one, that the person assumed that it is charging, meanwhile it was not charging. But according to the person, he said that it indicated the red light, and that indicated that it is charging. Okay, so that is number one. Number one is that maybe it was not actually charging, but the person thought that it was charging. That's number one. And number two, it could be actually that, yes, because the person said that it indicated the red light, showing that it is charging. But it could be that, the charging IC has problem, so it could not charge the battery. But when the charging IC has seen it, because I used reward station in order to remove it, maybe that has actually fixed the chip. I don't know for sure, but it's a theory. It could be that, yes, that's how the problem was fixed, because right now the battery has is charging. This thing, without changing anything, it is working. All right, it is working without changing anything. Right. So that is number two. That as I remove this, maybe that actually fix it. Okay. So that is number two theory that I can, that I can think of. Yeah, that's number two. So those are the theories that I can't. Those are the theories that I can say about this. Right. So the problem obviously was that this battery was not charged. And how did I get to know? I read this battery. I got to get 5 volts at both sides. But on checking another speaker of the same S67, I was getting like 7 volts, telling me that actually this battery is down, is low. So I have to charge it, and it charged. Right. So next time, if I'm faced with similar problem, that the complaint was it turns on, but immediately it turns back off, what I'm going to do is to target the battery. Right. If I see another device of the same, I'll just remove the board and test it on that battery and see if it's going to stop. Or if it continues, then I cannot proceed further. Right. So that is how this was fixed. Yeah. All right. I'm going to turn this on. It's going to indicate light. Before, in less than 2 seconds, let me say less than 3 seconds, it's going to turn off. 3 to 4 seconds. But as it is, yeah, it is on. This one is, try to search a device. Okay. It's in peering mode, actually. Yeah, that is the name. It's in peering mode now. Before, it would have turned off. All right, so that is how this has been brought back to life. So the primary problem was that this battery did not charge. So the battery was low. Yeah, the battery was low. So I got it charged and it's back up working. So that is it. So to show that it is charging, so I'm going to use this, right? So let's compare this. So if it is charging, the amp is going to draw. All right. So I want to plug this. Let's see. This is my Bluetooth speaker. See what it does. It is charging, right? See, it is charging here. Look at it. This is a volt. It's taking 4.84 volts. Then this is the amp draw 1.47. If I should turn it on, this amp should increase because it is on. So it's going to require more power. So it's on 1.47 thereabout or what? So okay, it is on, and this is 1.49, 8 and 9. So that is for the arm draw. So if it is not charging, this here will be 0 because it is not charging. All right. So as I've removed it, you see it has dropped. Okay. So even this one, the voltage has dropped. Right. So to charge this, it's this demand for 4.83 volts, and the amp for charging 1.4978 thereabouts. So let me come to here. So if this is charging, first let me turn it off. Right, it is off. So if this is charging, it should be similar. You see, there should be amp draw here, right? So plug in. Yeah, plug in. Is it charging? So there is a light here that it is charging. You see the arm draw. Look at the voltage. This is 4.6, 4.60, 4.61. Look at the arm draw. This is 2.87. Yeah, this speaker has power than this. Yeah, that speaker is 20 watts, while this one is it 80 watts or thereabout. All right, so look at the arm draw. This is 2.8, blah, blah. So that means this is charging, right? Yeah, it is charging. So with this, I should be able to turn it on. All right. So I've seen a person complain that when a plug, like the Bluetooth device was low, he plugged it in and it stopped working immediately. It shouldn't be. As it is, it's working fine. You should be able to plug your Bluetooth speaker and use it. All right. Good. So unplug and it shouldn't turn off. All right, my PC, there's no device that I can use to connect it. So the PC that I have around is misbehaving. And all right, so yeah, that is it. So this one is out of it. So this one is done. This chop of this one is done. So with it making sound, see that it's working before. The problem of this is that it's going to turn off, immediately turn it on. But now it's stable, no problem. So this job is done. So far, both speakers are working. The one that turned off is connected.
As you wish, Princess.
And yeah, so it's working.
What is the confidence rate?
25%.
Let's try another way.
King T'Challa's heart rate has fallen to 31 beats per minute. Princess.
So that is this one working.
Have to think.
Yeah.
Everyone get out. Get out! What is the confidence rate?
29.1%.
Print it.
Princess, I am aware of the urgency, but I must warn you. This synthetic heart-shaped head has a minimal chance of producing the desired effect.
All right.
I don't
So
care.
that is for this. I'm going to turn this
That's the
off.
one.
Good. So this one is the one that turns off on its own. Good. So what I'm going to do to this is make sure that I drain the present battery that is on it. Then I'll charge. Drain. I'll do that for like 3 times or 4 times to be sure that this one is perfect. But obviously it is working.